celebrating baby with Maria Provenzano because she's got a baby on the way. And because Mark Stein has just had the beautiful Parker Rose. And we are making DIY onesie and sock cupcakes and bouquets that are a perfect gift.
I
That's
mean,
adorable.
can you just not handle
This is
the cuteness?
incredible. Look at these.
Are these adorable?
Oh, and look at the picture of Parker.
I know we have to bring one of these to Parker
Oh,
because
wow.
these, not only are they beautiful, but they're also very useful. I mean,
Yeah.
when you are a new parent, you go through so many socks and onesies and towels and bibs.
Isn't that true?
Because 5 minutes after they go to the bathroom, they go to the bathroom again. It's
Exactly.
just-
I really feel like the only thing a newborn parents of a newborn need are onesies and socks.
It's true.
That's it.
Seriously.
That's
and
it.
diapers.
Well, diapers as well. Yeah,
Diapers.
that's true.
I'm kind of dreading that. To be totally
Do it
honest
all
with you.
over again.
I've already started, like, you know, kind of building up my stack of.
Yeah, no
Oh,
kidding.
boy.
You got to be honest. So what are the materials that we need for this?
So, you know, obviously the really basic things for, of course, the onesie, the socks, the you can do bibs or you can do towels. I love these little towels. I feel like
Little
you use,
washcloths.
yeah, little
Yes,
washcloths.
yeah.
And then these little popsicle sticks. Don't use used popsicle sticks.
Right.
Try to get some new ones. Or you can use these little dowels as well. And then the rest, like the flowers and tissue paper, just kind of zhuzh everything up and make it look
Zhuzhing.
pretty.
Can't have
We're
enough
gonna
zhuzhing.
All right.
I like to zhuzh.
Yeah.
How did you make these cute cupcakes?
So for these little cupcakes here, I can show you how we did that. So we start with, I'm going to fill it so they don't fall. So that's where you use the onesie. So what you do is you actually, it's really simple. You fold it into thirds, and then you want to take your sock and then put it at one end, and you want to have the open end kind of stick out.
Sticking out.
And then
you roll.
you
Oh my goodness.
roll like so, and then what you do is you take this and
Wrap it around.
wrap it around.
Oh,
So it
wraps-
looks like the actual like
my
cupcake
goodness.
with the
Right.
icing on it.
Cute.
Isn't that adorable? And then you put it in here, and then I put some tissue paper. That was part of the zhuzhing.
Yeah, yeah.
And then put it in here.
You just fill it in. That's adorable.
And then those are adorable,
Could
aren't
you
they?
use something other than a onesie with this
Yeah,
particular?
you could use the towels.
Right.
The little hand towels. You could use bibs. I wouldn't use the socks for these. They would probably be a little too small.
Okay.
Okay. Do you know what it reminds me of as well? It reminds me of the diaper bouquets. Did you ever see the
Oh,
diaper
That's
bouquets?
exactly.
They were so cute.
And those are like equally as useful too. That's the whole point, is like creating something that's useful for the new parents.
So what's the technique in making the flowers?
Okay, so for the flowers, you can use the socks for the flowers, or you can use the towels for the flowers. So with the this is just the towel. So. And then I just fold it in half and then fold it in half again. And then you can use, I found these at the craft supply store, just these, the green popsicle sticks, but you can use either one, to be honest with you. And then, so I forgot a very important aspect
Element.
of this is
The tape.
the tape. Okay, so what you do is you put it at one end, and I like using the green tape, and I'll show you why. So you roll it up like so, and that creates a really cool look. If you're doing this with socks, I would use 2 socks for 1 rose. So keep the socks together. And then you want to just take your tape
Because it is a flower.
Right.
and you just go all the way around. And it doesn't have to look perfect because you're
Well,
going
it's
to
like
be
the
hiding
green
it.
part of the flower.
And so then, yeah, exactly. And that's all you're really going to see, because so what I did is I took a basket, and that's what I did over there with the pot and with the basket as well. I put a piece or a little foam ball at the very bottom with some tissue paper, and then all you do is you stick these in, and then you can fill it some more, but then you can also, to add
Which
like
is
for
such a
some
great
filler,
idea. The zhuzhing
the
here.
more zhuzhing.
Do you know what else this is cute for? Even not just a gift, to do like decorate the tables at a baby
Yes,
shower.
yeah, of
Oh,
course.
that's a
That's a
great
really-
idea. That's a great idea. Now, if you love this flower look, I mean, this is
Isn't that
spectacular.
adorable?
Look at this. Is there something else you could do using flowers that weren't in, one of these
Yeah,
baskets?
so we have these are really portable, but you can see what I did over there
here.
in the very yeah. So that looks like a
Oh my gosh,
Sweet, the
stop.
bouquet.
yeah,
That's
okay.
really
I was a theater major, so we always love to get flowers, and we love to feel like we're very
Right?
special. So
Love
yeah,
at all times.
exactly.
Wow.
So it looks like a bouquet that you would actually hand to somebody, and I thought that was just really
course.
fun and special.
Washcloths with validation.
Yes, with
Exactly,
validation.
exactly. Thank you
Every parent
so
needs
much.
a little bit of validation, right?
You're like Miss America.
Genius.
Yes.
As you're getting spit up on you.
Exactly. Hey, I'll take what I can get. I'll tell you.
How much would this all cost?
You could do it for under $25. So as a really useful gift for a new parent, under $25 is great.
I'm telling
Yeah.
you, this was my favorite thing. I'm sure, Jenna, you feel the same way, and you too. These were the most important things.
They
I
really
needed.
were.
Yeah.
And then who doesn't love having any kind of flowers. And you can reuse. I have so many fake flowers at my house that you can,
Oh,
the
right.
new parents, new moms, whoever, you can actually repurpose those too. So.
Yeah, pass along the love.
Thank you,
Thank you so
Maria.
much,
That's
Maria.
adorable.
Up next, we have Dan Kohler.
Are they cute?
When we come back, I'm making a one-pan chicken dinner with a super secret ingredient. Stay tuned.